In the tool industry, Makita is a giant name. This manufacturer is well known for providing a huge range of tools in every field. So without waiting more time, let's see the 10 Makita tools that are on another level. Taking off with something small in size but big in work. The Makita 12-volt self-leveling 3-plane green and red lasers. These tools not only provide cordless convenience but also deliver exceptional functionality for job site layout tasks. Equipped with 3 laser planes covering 360-degree area, users benefit from precise measurements across 6 cross-point reference positions, allowing for accurate level, align, plumb, and square applications. The self-leveling feature corrects slopes of up to 4 degrees on uneven surfaces, so you can rely on it for varied terrains. With an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, these lasers are built to withstand tough conditions. The recessed laser windows add an extra layer of protection, enhancing the overall durability of these versatile tools. Whether on construction sites or other demanding environments, these lasers offer a reliable and efficient solution for professionals. Now we have something for all gardeners out there. This is the Makita UP100D CXT Pruning Shear, a cordless tool designed for effortless cutting with needed precision. This 12-volt max CXT battery-powered shear has seamless blade control interlocked with the trigger, so you can make smoother cuts whenever you take it on hand. Enjoy the convenience of electronic adjustments for the blade opening angle and overlap when closed. This tool provides customizable settings for your gardening needs. The battery directly attaches to the tool body, maximizing maneuverability, allowing you to navigate effortlessly through branches and foliage. With a brushless motor at its core, the UP100D offers enhanced efficiency and durability, making it an indispensable tool for gardeners seeking optimal control and performance in their pruning tasks. Whether you have lots of heavy-duty cutting tasks on the bucket list, the Makita XLock angle grinder will be a reliable tool for powerful performance in diverse applications. With a robust Makita-built brushless motor and a 40-volt max XGT battery, this grinder delivers reliable grinding and cutting across materials like tile, concrete, pipe, and conduit. The innovative XLock quick change system enables toolless wheel changes up to 5 times faster, enhancing convenience. Having 13-ampere corded power, the grinder ensures efficiency, while the automatic feedback technology halts the motor if wheel rotation is suddenly obstructed. The electric brake stops the wheel in 2 seconds or less, maximizing productivity. Included features like the grinding wheel, wheel guard, and side handle make this angle grinder a versatile and essential tool for various tasks. Makita Deep Dive JV001G XGT Jigsaw. This tool effortlessly handles 48mm thick MDF with smoothness and efficiency. Enhanced user-friendliness comes through features like the light reduction function, a redesigned tool body shape, and more. A variable speed control dial allows users to tailor the speed to their specific application, ensuring versatility. Twin LED lights with pre-glow and afterglow functions provide optimal illumination for accurate work. Powered by a brushless, maintenance-free motor, this jigsaw offers durability and longevity. Additionally, the battery protection circuit safeguards against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating, making it a reliable and user-friendly tool for a variety of cutting tasks. Let's get back to the construction site. This rebar tying tool from Makita will change the way you've done the job so far. First, it will remove all the hassle of tangled cords and give you the freedom of cordless tying. With a remarkable tying capacity of up to 5,300 ties on a single charge, this tool can swiftly tie multiple bars in less than a second. Plus, this tool comes with both single and continuous operation modes, so you can digitally adjust tying strength to meet various tension requirements. It also features an easy load wire wheel design with an automatic locking mechanism in the protective cover, maintaining an error-free operation for professionals in construction and steel work. Precision cuts, superior versatility, and accurate depth control. Where can you find them all in one pack? Well, here comes the Makita ST-S01 cordless cutout saw. This tool has got something more than your needs. Operating on the 18-volt LXT platform, this tool is designed for creating openings in installed board, including drywall and plywood. With the ability to cut up to 984 feet of half-inch drywall on a single charge using a 4-amp-hour battery, it offers impressive efficiency. The saw features a short 1/4-inch stroke length and an adjustable blade depth, so you can minimize the risk of damage to objects behind the cutting board. Plus, the inclusion of a dust port with a clear dust box enhances dust extraction and visibility, making it ideal for cutouts and drywall repair applications. Experience unparalleled efficiency with the Makita GC-V04 4-gallon dry duster extractor. This brushless extractor features auto-start wireless system and delivers a robust 148 CFM airflow for stubborn debris. It also offers 2 times more suction power for effective dust removal. The innovative 3-stage HEPA filtration system captures an impressive 99.97% of particulates, ensuring a clean and safe working environment. With an automatic self-cleaning filter system that shakes dust from the pre-filter, this extractor maintains optimal suction and extends filter life. The integration of AWS with Bluetooth allows wireless power on or off communication between the tool and dust extractor, enhancing user convenience. Powered by a 2-bay battery system, it provides extended runtime for large cleaning jobs. Worried about high torque wrenching applications? Meet the Makita DTW700 LXT Impact Wrench. With 3 modes of reaction time for automatic stop in both forward and reverse rotations, this brushless half-inch drive impact wrench provides a formidable fastening torque of up to 700 Nm. It means you'll get unparalleled power and versatility for heavy-duty jobs. Featuring 3 power settings, twin LED lights for enhanced visibility, and a battery protection system that shuts off power when low, this tool enables optimal performance and durability. Plus, the ergonomic chassis design ensures a comfortable working position, while the extreme protection technology enhances dust and water resistance, making it a reliable companion for demanding job site conditions. The Makita XPG01 LXT grease gun is a versatile and powerful cordless solution for workshops and garages. Featuring a robust Makita-built motor, this grease gun delivers up to 10,000 psi of max pressure, ensuring efficient and precise lubrication. With a maximum flow rate of 10 ounces per minute, users can work at an accelerated pace. The tool offers 2 speed modes, low and auto speed, easily adjustable with a variable speed trigger, providing flexibility for different applications. The convenience of a lock-on button enhances user experience during long work periods, making this grease gun an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient solution for lubrication tasks. At last, here comes the Makita LS002G XGT Slide Compound Mitre Saw, a powerful and efficient tool powered by the XGT 40V Max battery. With its brushless technology, this saw delivers exceptional power, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. Its single sliding system and rail-forward design ensure a snug fit against walls, optimizing workspace efficiency. Ready for substantial projects, it offers a maximum cutting capacity of 70 by 312 mm at 90 degrees. The addition of twin LED lights illuminates your workspace, providing enhanced visibility for accurate and precise cuts. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the Makita LS002G combines power, efficiency, and thoughtful design to meet your cutting needs with ease. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.